sorry. I'm here, trying to sort out things. That's all I'm gonna say, but it's okay. We continue. That's about it. We're gonna carrying on. Okie dokie, let's give this a go. Right, the show must go on. So let the show go on. That was weird, that was lame, but point is, let's get the shenanigans rock and rolling. So down we go. Let's mark out. Did not take out the previous day high. Very, very interesting. But we do now have London done. And I know this is not technically the correct London. No, don't yell at me. No, wait, that's actually not anything. I take that back. Do I take that back? I do not take that back. That is still hello. That must be acknowledged. Okie dokie. Artichoke. Let's do this. We still have midnight, still have that. Done. Asia high and Asia low were taken. So now let's see what we get. Hey Kieran, what's up? How's it going? Atlanta, hi. Oopsie late. I'm so sorry, Mikwave. I am sorry. I'm trying to sort things out. Not as easy as it seems.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Okay. Are we ready to do this shenanigans? Sure, let's say we are ready to do these shenanigans. Oh, it's just for the best discounts use Teach Maya. I guess I could bring it up ever so slightly. Right, let's do this. How about that? There we go. Better? How's that, Mikwave? Ta-da! Done. Now it's blocking nothing. Problem solved. Hey, Tandor, what's up? How goes? Whew. Why does this feel like a redo of London? It's stuck between VWAP and midnight again. Marked out those highs. Then let's do a top to bottom analysis again, quick sticks. And then we are ready to blow this popsicle joint. Let's do this. Hey JP, what's up? You want that quite as clear as possible. Thank you, Mikwave. Let's check daily. I think the bears could be back in play. To come and fill this. 674. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see. Now, 4 hour. Amazing. 976. Back into these. See if that is the case. Would be cool to see it retrace slightly before we either continue going back up. Also, our next point of interest is definitely 540. Let's say 540. There's these, well, there's all of this. There's quite a bit of liquidity sitting around there. What else? Next point of interest would be 23979. Okay, so 540 or 979 on the 4 hour. What about the 1 hour? Hey, Usman, what's up? Hi, Usman, how's it going? I can't complain. Ooh, we have inverse fair value gaps on the 1 hour. And followed by Doji. Creating relative equal lows. Interesting. Okay. Okay, 1 hour chart. This could be good. Oh, Usman, you know, cannot complain. Everybody being a little bit quiet. Everybody good? Everybody good? All happy days? Can I get a ooh? Damn, I have that damn song stuck in my head. That's what I got right now. A song stuck in my head. Literally. Do I not have this marked out? I feel like I should have this marked out. 128. Around 128. Okay, let me check then. I'm actually gonna mark this out quickly. I probably, well, I did not mark it out. No, I did it basically just in line with the new weekly opening gap. Sorry for blinding everybody. 5 minute. Going to be a fun day. Do you trade on a funded account? I do indeed. I do indeed. What are you trading on, Usman? Alrighty, Roo. Literally alrighty, Roo. 1 minute, let's do this. Let's do this thing. Like a chicken wing. If we ever had a clue about this well-funded account thing, I would have done that a long time ago. Well, Landa, it's never too late, or are you very happy with how you do things now? I would say it's never too late, but if you're now succeeding, why bother changing, right? Why bother changing? For anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
How you doing? There's some ICT with order flow. Oh, nice. And Usman, how's it doing? I'm self-funded, no problem. There we go. There we go. Atlanta, out of curiosity. Nah, never mind. Never mind. Ignore me. Whew. 4 days ago, I bought my first 6K fund account. Oh, nice. Just get curious what that's like sometimes. I guess for you, you might be more inclined to do some full port shenanigans. That's the vibe I'm getting. I think you might do some more full port shenanigans. No problem, ignore. Wow, starting today strong.
Emotional damage.
Yesterday you were in loss, but today you cover your loss. Nice! Well done, that's amazing. Currently I feel like I'm just mostly in loss, but it's okay. We continue. 1 day at a time. Right? That's all we can do. 1 day at a time, one trade at a time, and we just continue on and on and on and on and on until we die. Nah, I'm kidding. Well, nah. 2 minutes to go until New York Open. Let's see what we get. Westman, how long have you been trading for, by the way? Let's maybe start with that question. Okay, last minute to go until New York Open. Where's everybody at today? Is everybody good? Is there news today? I'm hoping not. What if they fall? What happens next? Longs or shorts? Damn, Durcio. That's an intense question. I don't know, we could only expect. I want to assume shorts would actually. Yeah, shorts? I think. I'm not sure. I want to say shorts would happen. But that's just me speculating. It's definitely not fact or anything. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Is it just me or does this feel like a redo of yesterday? Morning gaming time. You do know there's a New York pre-market, right? Atlanta, what do you mean New York pre-market? Like, people trade New York pre-market? I'm aware. I do not. Hey, Trading Expo, what's up? How goes? How goes? Good grief. That was pretty wiki wild right now. 2, 1, booyah. Okay, well here's the 930 range. Atlanta, yes, okay. Hey Debbie, what's up? Am I ready? Let's see, Dom. Let's see if I am indeed ready. Wow. Down to VWAP? Potentially. Juggling. Lucas, what do you mean? What is happening today? Entry long above VWAP only. Never considered. You know, I haven't had to use this in a while, but I feel like it's valid.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Good grief. Damn, that's a nasty doji to open up with on ES. Holy moly, look at that. This was the opening. That's insane. Okay. Please don't let it be rangy like yesterday. Please don't let it be rangy like yesterday. Yes, I always trade Nasdaq. Tis my thing. Wait a minute. We have our first presented. So early. That's kind of weird. Like, it's small, but that's it. Okay then. Sorry, focusing. It's a result of algos, years trading the market. Oh, okay, you have fun. Enjoy. Cheers. I think this is now going to be the 5-minute candle. And then let's see if it drops below it or not. That could be our solid confirmation of this thing's going up. Okay, it's been respecting... Okay, let me not speak too soon. I was gonna say, it's been respecting quite nicely today. I will become profitable. What the? Careful for the 150. Yeah. Okay. Sorry guys, been a long day. Yes, I'm aware that it is only... Gosh. It's only Wednesday. No, it's not even Wednesday, it's only Tuesday. It's only Tuesday. You see it long at the first presented. Most of this actually indicates that shorts are going to be in play. Maybe to tap London low, tap back into the new weekly opening gap, and then go back up. Okay, still stuck in the 5-minute. Okay, tapped into first presented. Wow, okay then. My bad. Hey Didi, what's up? Yeah, I'm not so sure yet, Dom. I'm trying to not be married to my bias like I was yesterday. I'm trying, but that's respecting 50% of that really well. Clearly there's a resistance zone going on over here. Trading Expo, tell about gold. Haven't actually had a look at gold yet today. I will need to go and have a look-see. Market's already reacting to 8 p.m. EST. Does anyone in the US know if Trump has mentioned anything? Yeah, solid rejection off of... Oh, okay. Okay. ES and NQ look very different right now. Dom, you think the volume is coming? Let's see. No, if I had drawn it properly, this would have missed me probably a tick. And I don't know if I would have done this purely, well, it's a few things. First presented as above my entry and VWAP is above my entry, so that's not what you want. Yeah, that's not what you want at all. Has that been confirmed, Debbie? Isn't that just all talk? Or is that actually happening? Dom, you say this is the pullback. Oh my gosh. Please don't say we're just gonna flipping... Okay. I actually can't take a trade now because this is low-key diddling in the middle. It broke the low on ES, so a little bit of an SMT was now created. Let's see if we get a bit of a push from that. I would low-key be more keen on this. 2. It's a B setup. Yeah, unfortunately this is only a B setup. Huh. Alrighty then, still rejecting off the 50% over there. Everybody, oh damn, Debbie, okay. Look at that. B would have worked out beautifully. Entry and nearly TP. Oh my gosh, we are struggling to break below the 5-minute. But respecting the heck out of the midpoint of the 5-minute. Okay, I think this is going down. See if we get any confirmations here. The tension is high today. All we can do is wait until setups are clear. If you're in, good luck. Oh, thanks, Docio, but you know, valid. I nearly said available. I was like, that's not words, but valid is what I was trying to say to that. Okay. Dom, you say, let's see now. Let's see if it rejects off of midnight. It's gonna want to retest higher on ES. Nope, that was a pretty decent rejection. How's this look on the 5-minute? Alrighty then. Sorry. I'm focusing. I know I'm being so quiet. Chop session, no, don't be like that, Microwave. I'm here trying to be a positive person. That is not the case. But maybe it is. Microwave, have you got any trades in? Flip, I hope this isn't choppy. All because of that tweet. You've been talking the entire time. Have I? I don't even realize it anymore. Maybe that's a bad thing. Maybe I shouldn't be like, I don't even realize I'm talking. That's not great. That doesn't make you sound normal. That makes you sound like a complete weirdo. Okay, moving on. Okay, there was that rejection off of midnight. And rejecting back off of there. This is giving choppy vibes. Look back on today's Myers' pick. Look how perfectly it played out. That's mean. Rude. But fair, but rude. Still rude. But it's okay. I forgive you. Go, finally broke. And went straight back. I cannot. It feels like English has depleted and it is not even not even the middle of the week. I went back. Was keen on there. Now we did tap into that shelf. Oh my gosh. This is giving bad vibes. I'm a tickets vibe. Bad vibe! Bad vibe! Still a few minutes to go with this one. How's this look on the 1 minute? Oh, lol. Okay, that would have worked. Huh. I was a tad bit too late. Was the doji, that was the retest, and I think we now go down. Yep, here we go. Hey Anton, what's up? There we go. That was the setup actually. Somebody says I could still get back into this. Which is that risking? Not much relaxing. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Anton. I'm here looking for a trade. Oh, we've tapped into the support level. It has been struggling to break the support level. Although this is now more promising. Potentially. Let's see. What would this one have? One, two, three. Sell limit for backup here might tap back into the 5 minute I have. Definitely my 3 confluences. Anton, trading view. Both. Yep. One, two. Okay, this is kind of hands off now. Had a little bit of a rejection off of that fair value gap. Anton, I'm trading you for everything. Heyo, what's up? I missed sugar honey iced tea. No. It didn't come back up and tag me in before going down to where I wanted it to go. Oh man. And that would have missed my limit. Nope, was the answer to that. Nothing amazing screaming at me currently. This could spike up one last time. But not many platforms. Oh, sorry, I'm using Tradevate. Anton, is that what you're saying? Is that what you're asking? Tradingvate. So trading you via Tradevate. Yes? Hondo, what's up? Am I in the UK? Nah. I'm in South Africa. What's up? How you doing? Phoenix Cloak. Hi. Long time no see. How you doing? How have you been? You trading NAS? Samesies, just the micros. Which one are you trading? Just NAS itself? Minis? Micros with me? Okay. Biggest fan of that doji. You know what? I still like this trade. I don't like the wick that it just formed there. Don't get me wrong, I don't like that wick, but I still like this trade setup. I have 1, 2, 3. Maybe it's completely incorrect because it has been really bouncing off of this zone here. It's really been bouncing off of this zone completely. So maybe I'm completely wrong. Oh, completely wrong it is. But I still took it, which is better than what I've been doing. For example, I was checking FTMO prop firm and then can be traded directly from TradingView. You have to use other platform like MetaTrader for. Oh, Anton, that's interesting. Cena. Or C-Trader. No, what is C-Trader? I'm not Anton. What's that? I'm not familiar with that, sorry. What is C-Trader? Maybe it's bad that I don't know. I've heard of MetaTrader 4 or 5, mostly 5. But yeah. TradingView, but not as good. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Hondu. Would pay not a pair? Dan Jedi? This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How you doing? Trade Locker is better. See, again, haven't really heard of either of them if I'm being honest. Sorry. Like I said, I have not really heard of Trade Locker. I've heard of Meta. C-Trader, no. I've not heard of C-Trader either. I don't know if that's a bad thing or not. That's fine, thank you. I guess I'm gonna look for prop firm. Okay. De-risking. I'm gonna check Trade Locker as well. Okay. Anton, let me know. I am genuinely curious. Because I am not sure at all. We're in the same trade. Thanks, Hondu. My TP is basically at the new weekly opening gap. I don't know about yours though. When it reaches the 1, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even though. Normally I would take partials at 1, but I'm only trading with 1 contract, so can't take partials. Okay, it's at a little bit of a volume imbalance on ES. Okay, disrespected that imbalance. We're good. Give it a little bit of breathing room. Maybe that was too much breathing room, but it's a safe trade now. We're good. No matter what happens now, we have London low. Oh, please don't say it's edging. Well. You would have hit TP. No. Move TP and make more money. I don't know, because I can understand it retesting. Let's see here. See, I can understand it retesting a little bit more. Just took that out, tapped a little bit into the supply zone again. I think if it breaks low, we good. There we go. Come on. Come on, go, 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 go. Winning! Frick! Okay. Don't get me wrong. There was a moment there of it's not gonna work. But we did it. Woo! Okay. So that's a win. Awesome sauce. Definitely made up for the little loss this morning. Ooh, this is the trade that Bob took. Very nice. Why all the way down there though? Good grief. Which asset is that? Oh, sorry, I didn't even look. Sorry, Bob. I should maybe look at which asset that is. Okay, but London low was taken. This was taken. We now tapped into the new weekly opening gap. Have a win is quite nice. It's been a minute since I've had a full win. Oh, that's a lie. Kind of. At least I nearly convinced myself out of it. You guys saw that. I literally nearly talked myself out of that. I'm glad I told myself to stop being dumb. And I wasn't greedy. I mean, it would have worked out if I was greedy, but I wasn't greedy. Oh, Bob, I see you're headed for Asia Low. That's a really nice TP. Is the account doing good? Well, it's doing okay. We're on now 540. We should be higher, but we all know what happened last week. 540. Oop. Okay. There we go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's see how we react now here. I'm going to not be greedy. I'm going to take a minute because I've done this before where I took a trade and I took another one straight afterwards and I completely screwed myself by doing that. Learn your lesson, Maya. Just take a minute, take a breath. Like with this, not as keen. I mean, we have 1, 2. Yeah, not as keen on this one. It's not bad. I think this is just going to keep going though. And invites and indicate. I don't. Where are invites? Ah, got it. I didn't even know that was there. Thanks. Okay, I'll go and check that out. I didn't know that was a thing. Thanks, Debbie. Nice, took the same trade. Hey, Abraham. Whoop, 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 whoop. Well done. So you are 409. Wait, 23409. Good grief. Good grief. Hondu. Dom, I've done that before. Not ideal. When I was trading more, I would have had like I would have partial TP and a trailing. Or yeah. I'm learning to not be greedy. Because on the trades where I'm greedy, it does not work out. Abraham, how you doing? Anyone that's just hopped on?
Hi! Hi!
And to anyone that had a whoop whoop, this is for you guys. So anyone in the green today? Whoop whoop whoop. Well done. Well done. Huge shout out. Well deserved. Awesome sauce. I'm risking 30 for 250. Oh, that's not what? Undo, good grief. Shorting 260. 5 minis. Oh, from? Where's your TP at, JP? Pretty close to payout, so I'm just staying focused. Ooh, Abraham, that's amazing. Well done. That is so good. Well done. Ooh, let's see if it edges. It is being... Oh, okay, never mind. I take it back. I was gonna say the markets have been edging. They've been so rude. So let's see if this does edge Asia low or not. Abraham, yeah. Good. It's been entertaining. Life has been entertaining. Life has been lifing. Don't know how else to explain it. Life has been lifing. There was the 10 a.m. Golfing, you just have to be so quick with this. Definitely give it breathing room. Whoa. That's what I was looking at for Bob to Bob. Definitely would have moved stop loss into green there. Holy cow. Bob, whoop whoop indeed. I can guarantee you that was a freaking banger. Wow. That was Bob's trade, by the way. Okay, well, ran straight through Asia low there. And there we go. That would have been a winner chicken dinner. Freaking hell. That was impressive. Okay. Didn't take that one. I did check it on the 5-minute though. It was quite nice. Okay, now I know what to look for with when it's in engulfing. Kujan, don't do what? Don't do what? Didn't have one, just let her run. Have a mental TP of 23600. Atlanta, yeah, I had a whoop whoop. So that's good. That's good. Yeah, this thing is running. I'm glad I got in when it started. Sure. Yeah, glad I got in when it started. I just didn't want to be greedy and just leave it. Are you trading break and retest? Not really. What is... Wait. What's your idea of break and retest? I trade the retests. Well, my entry is the retests. A little bit of a rejection there. What have I marked out here? There's some form of sell-side liquidity over here. I would be low-key nervous to stay in sells now, but... Oh, that was that point that I marked out. That 981. Okay. Like, surely this is a little bit overextended, right? Surely. It's going to jump like 2,000 points in a few days. Question is which direction, right? Up, down, sideways? The down. The down? That went, Up. Okay, so you think this is gonna start pumping back up now? Okay, that was a solid trade. I'm chuffed with that. Give myself a little bit of breathing room there. Okay, let's see what reactions we get now. It's gonna keep going down. Did it take all the sell side liquidity it wanted? Might have to zoom out a little bit and see. Okay, sorry. Let's turn off all the chaos for a minute. Okay. Yeah, 981, that's the level I've marked. Then on the higher time frames, it's back into an inverse fair value gap. So is it going to reject again off of the same inverse fair value gap, or is it going to drop down now to mitigate the imbalance? Joy of Travel, hail, what's up? How we doing? Huge liquidity sweep. I know, it's a little bit insane, Bob, but the question is, are we doing a full liquidity sweep, if that makes sense? Like, are we going all the way? Are we shooting for gold here? Shooting for, sorry. Are we going all the way back down? Or has it now just completely overextended? Joy of Travel, you done trading today? Why? To be fair, I'm trying to decide if I'm also done. Had a win. I'm super chuffed with that. That I was forward testing for a 5-minute situation. Ew. See it go back up and retrace back to 50% wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. Wow. Wow. Being called a bozo on a live stream. That's rude. My target a 1K trade. Hey! Joy of Travel. Sorry guys, I just dunked my whole microphone for all of you guys to hear. Well, do you know what you get for that? You get a solid whoop-de-whoop. Seriously, well done. That is awesome. To anyone that's had green today, well done. Yeah, can we possibly make another entry? Let's see, it's very overextended right now. It is super overextended. Bob just likes being mean to me on live now. Interesting. TP hit. Hey, Veda! Well done. Seriously, well done, guys. I was doing my best to not be greedy today. I'm glued. I'm glad. I'm glued. I'm glued with that. Glad and good. I'm glued. I'm super chuffed about that. Glad I wasn't greedy. Obviously, low-key bummed. Can you imagine I was? So if I was greedy... Where was Asia low? Around here, hey? Nearly a 5-hour trade. Sure, if I just kept it going, maybe called it here. Anyways. Don't be greedy. Greedy bad. Greedy bad bad. I did. Is a 1.42R win good? Yeah? Oh, green is green. Maya's road to 50k, 3 weeks left. 3 weeks left? Why do I have 3 weeks left? What's happening? Nowadays trades goes with missiles and bombs. Is it wrong of me to have entered a buy on that glitch? No? What glitch? Wait, what glitch where? Ink boy? Again, I say this, green is green. Big wick off of there. See if it retraces the 50% of this move. It could, just very slowly. I earned 82k last week. Damn, look at you go. Thank you 30 minutes ago. There was a glitch 30 minutes ago? What time exactly? Ink boy? Also, Ink boy, do you have lots of tattoos? If not, respectfully, change your name. Respectfully, change it. Here we go. Back up to the bob level. Nice. Let's see how it reacts at the 50%. Ooh. Stop loss is a bit close. Close? What is life, bro? What's up? My indicator depth on nice investigate coming back to see how it works properly. Thank you. Extreme cold. What's up? Anyone that's just hopped on now?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you're doing amazing. We are in the green for today. Cannot be upset about that. In the green for today. After having I was very disappointed in myself this morning. So to have some green is good. So Irish sounding when you say bob level. Really? I sound Irish when I say bob level? At 1:30 Joburg time. Or do you mean like 3:30 opening? Ink boy, if you mean 3:30 opening, good grief. Shoot, now I'm trying to figure out when. What? When's Joburg time? 2 p.m. is 8, so 7:30. There was a glitch there. I'm really assuming you meant New York Open. There we go. Okay, yeah, New York Open. No, that wasn't a glitch. That was just a liquidity grab. Liquidity sweep swipe. Extreme cold, how long trade for now? Like, time-wise exactly? Or are you speaking of, like, how long have I been trading years-wise? I can see it hit 870. Okay, so basically correct the imbalance. Is what a lot of you are thinking. when I first started years was. We are going on to 1 year. Literally. We're going on to 1 year. Actually, in a week's time, it will be a year exactly. How wild. In a year's time, it'll be a week. A week. Did I just say in a year's time? In a week's time, it will be a year exactly. Apparently, all my brain power is dead. Keep holding, just retracing to full gaps, then back down. Okay, nice, Hondo. If I was a gambling man, but I'm not. Let's see. Hey Samuel, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? It's a decent bob to bob, actually. Give yourself a little bit of breathing room. So TP was at 80. Did I short? I did. I shorted here. I had a win, which is awesome. Still hustling. Extreme cold. Still hustling. I've not had my first payout yet. Okay, well, this is a really nice trading day. I just do not want to give all my profits back. Had a win, I'm super chuffed with it. That was a really good bob to bob trade now as well, if anyone cares about the bob to bob levels. Hey OTT, what's up? For some reason, I've been put in the mood for a crispy chicken sandwich today. That's very random. OTT, where'd you get the pizza from? Samuel, you may go long if you want. Yikes. So OTT, you missed it? You didn't get a trade in, right? What the heck? What's the right amount to start a prop room account? Ink Boy? I would say you need, I mean, theoretically, a minimum amount, like this is minimum, would be $100. Around there. I'd say minimum, because it gives you space. It gives you some space. Right, but again, that's minimum. It keeps you going for few and it can get you one or two more, but that's again minimum. I wasn't home, the move was insane though. Good grief. You are very, very bad. Sometimes don't act like we don't know. What did I do? Is Mud in chat? Nah, don't know where Muddy is. He hopped on, well, Debbie Usel hopped on at lastminute.com for the London stream, and then haven't seen Muddy. Damn, okay. Going to fill the imbalances indeed. here we go. You giggled when you said the word. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. You're hearing things. You're just hearing things. Okay. You know what? While we're waiting for this, do you know what time it is? It is indeed butterfly of the day. So, let's do a butterfly of the day. Butterfly of the day. Let's see what we get. Wish, 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 that one. We've done that one. I mean, we could do Riley's. Who is Riley and why do they have a butterfly named after them? Okay. Riley's opal. I told you we have similar, you know, we've done a similar one before, but this is, there we go. You can see the outside of the wings, very cool. And then inside, you can see it has some blue. It's a very pretty little butterfly. And these are teeny tiny. These are itty bitty little butterflies. So, wingspan is 30 to 38 millimeters. Give me a second. No, no, nothing cool there. So they... Oh, okay, that's about it. So distribution is succulent karoo, only from low hill slopes and river flats at east end of Brandvlei Dam. Western Cape. Sorry, I'm looking at a name of something there. Oh, that's it. Oh, these are very rare little butterflies. So habitats is flatlands and hillsides. That is it. Flight period is September to April. Peaks October, November, and March. That's it. This is a rare little dude. Anyways. So his Latin name is Chrysotis riley. Riley. Okay, maybe that's where they got the Riley from. Anyways, that's the little butterfly of the day. He's cute and adorable, and I love him. Back to the charts. I see we are now stuck. Cool. We're now a little bit stuck, but that's okay. We're gonna keep on pushing on through. Trump deadline in 6 minutes. I thought that was happening later, TJ Trades. But no, I personally vouch for prop firms. I think prop firms are the way to go, especially as a beginner. I mean, why would you not want a cushion? Right? It saves you capital. Why would you not want that? As long as you play the game correctly, then it's a win-win situation. I don't see what's wrong with using prop firms at all. I know some people are very against them, and that's fine. Each to their own. Or to each their own. However that is supposed to be said. You need to summon him like you do, Geordie. Muddy, muddy, mud crab. Let's see if that works. If it did, that's hilarious. I'm at the app. And tell me why the waiting is insane. Every 10 minutes I gotta pay 30 bucks. You can have 10 minutes uncooked. OTT, who are you picking up from the airport, dude? For Americans, 30 bucks is $2. OTT, for Americans, I feel like $2 is not a lot. But that is insane, OTT. Can't you just drive around? What deadline is this? It's been like 3, I hear that. I feel like we have different... Everyone has a different idea of when the deadline is. Anyone have any clue when the actual deadline is? For things to be happening? Okay, anyways. Oh shoot. Sorry, I'm saying oh shoot because Let's see if this works. No, maybe not. Maybe I spoke too soon. I went oh shoot too soon. And I'm fetching my mom. I'm like, read this curry. And no more babysitting my sister. Not. Why was she in Korea? OTT? Like on a holiday? Work? That's quite cool. I'm low-key jelly. Vacation with your aunt Stam. One day when I'm big, I want to be able to do that. Okay, okay. Back to the one. Okay, who's still in a trade, by the way? No way, I gave half that down move back. What happened, Debbie? No, 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 no. Debbie, I'm so sorry. I know what you need. I know what you need. There we go, I got you. You were on the phone with your friend. Where's my VWAP? Up here. Right by the midnight. Ooh, that's quite a solid magnet. I wonder if it's gonna go tap back into there. Tell your friend that they're a bad friend. They lost you money. They need to be better. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Before I get yelled at. Okay. Stuck a little bit in this range now again. Okay. Did we have like the whole move and now we're gonna chinchill? I could, yeah. I get it. I get it. Tis chinchill time. Chinchill like a chinchilla. Yes, I just said that. Chinchill like a chinchilla. After what I could have, it's fine. I'm in green, so all is well. True, Debbie. Green is green. Green is green. That's all you can ask for at this point, right? Green do be green. Is it bear flagging? Again, I'm really bad at the flags. Is it bear flagging? Who trades flags? Who trades flags here? Do you agree? Disagree? Meh. I'm just looking at the time. Just like, laugh, you'll only cry. Rough. Everybody being so quiet today. Is everyone just chilled? I bought a 5k eval just for the temp only. OTT, what the heck? Where did you buy it on? Maybe that's the next question. Be able to pass with it. Hello, handsome. Oh, look! We have a periwinkle. A periwinkle has blessed us with his presence. Hello. He has definitely blessed us with his presence. What's up? And now he's gonna fall asleep with his head on my desk. Okay, back up we go. Dan Turner. What's up? How you doing? Love that we're all just being silent. To be fair, I think it's because everyone's really focused on the charts right now, which is valid. 100% valid. I mean, there's still 3, but stop loss lower down for this one would have been better. Let's see if it rejects there. Nope. Yeah. Space World, how's your trading journey going so far? Whew. It's entertaining. I think entertaining is the right word. You have some days where you're just like, oh my gosh, I'm on fire, this is amazing. And then you have other days where you're like, what am I doing? I have no clue what I'm doing. And then you have days where you just see everything correctly, perfectly, spot on. And other days where you question what the hatedly day you are doing. I feel like that's pretty accurate, yeah? But yeah, today was good, ended in green, that's great. Yesterday I actually didn't get any trades. Shoot, I actually didn't see how I ended. Let's have a quick sneaky peeky. Actually, don't know if I ended last week in green or not. If it was itty bitty bit of green, but still, green is green, right? Let's use the most recent swing star. I'm still short. Nice, JP. So you still think it's gonna continue lower? Sorry. I was green last. Yeah. I don't know if you could call this green. I was break even last week. Well, yes, let's say break even last week. Oh, let me post this in no. I guess for right now, it's green. Green is green. You can on if you want to. Hey Henry, what's up? Forever Gaming Hub. Hey, you're back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Anyone that's back?
Okay, let's go.
How's everybody doing? How's it going? What's crack-a-lackin'? That was lame. I am so sorry. Just making sure you're all awake. I got a problem. Can I share it with you? It's about trading. Oh, of course, Henry. What's up? What pair is this? Trevor, not a pair. This is the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? How's it going? Are you doing amazing? Are you ready, kids? Aye, Captain. I can't hear you. If you know where that's from, you've had an elite childhood. Just one more little trade. No, wait, do I have trouble? You say you're gonna take another trade? I thought you were done. If you're done, be done. Oh, okay, sorry. It's my neighbor that's coming back home. I was like, what is that noise? So my strategy works, but sometimes I don't feel like going to the charts. Always feeling my mind tired when I get to the charts. Okay, Henry. So what's the question? Like, how do you get over that? Is that the question? I'm waiting to see what this question goes. I'm curious. You've piqued my curiosity. I can't guarantee I'll be able to help, but I'm sure someone in the chat, the oh so quiet chat today, apparently everyone's asleep. Understandable, I get it. It's been a long week. Micro? What's up? Ma'am. Okay, well, was just called ma'am. What's up? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Well, I'm having a good day. I'm having a good day. I had a win. I'm in the green for the day. I'm happy. Can't be upset about that. I was curious, what strategy do I use? I guess I have a unique strategy that uses... It uses some, not all, but it takes some form of market auction theory, some form of ICT, and some form of SMC, and you kind of smush it together. It's very basic, but it got me a funded account. Atlanta, yep. Here's chart depression. Is that a thing? Wait. What is? Wait. Chart depression. Bull? This is the first I've ever heard of that. What is it? Well, it is only a 4-hour trade. Only. Whatever. Samuel, why did you do that? That was unnecessary. You guys know if you say yawn or do anything with yawning, I yawn. Can you make your analysis with your stop loss and TP and walk away from it? How do I have the confidence to get into the market? So, is it that you're tired or is it that you're lacking the confidence? It's both a little bit different, but Bill, seriously, what is short depression? Harry, wake up, it's fine. Yeah, Sam, you should be sorry because now I looked at it again. Well, at least you guys know I'm not a psychopath, right? Apparently that's how you can tell if someone's a psychopath, if they don't yawn, because then they're not empathizing. So clearly I have too much empathy because I empathize with a screen. Hello. We have a Perry. Samuel, you say go short here. Hey, what's up? Are you okay? Okay, okay. We have a very sad looking Perry over here right now. I don't know what I did. I clearly offended him. Let's just look on the 5-minute. Sorry, I'm curious. I mean, I'll be back in the green for now with this one. Henry, is there a way I can talk to you private? Do you have Discord, Henry? Samuel, if you're interested, she already missed the entry. Anywhere is an entry if you look hard enough. Did you take it, Bob? That was rude. What the heck, man? That was so mean. Just open this up to have Bob calling me a bozo. Sorry, Samuel, you couldn't see the beginning part of it. It said bozo. How rude. Gotcha. Oh my gosh.
Emotional damage.
I was like, oh, we're gonna see a nice trade. And I was like, nope, nope. You know what you're gonna get? Name called. You're gonna be called a bozo. Oh my goodness. Will this be working out? No ways. Maybe ways. Oh. Why does it feel like we have now lost all of our volume? You can, Henry, go for it. You can pop me a message. Pop. You most certainly can. Well, let's give this 15 more minutes. Let's see, maybe we still get something good. Okie dokie, I threatened it and it went okie dokie. I will win. Retesting. The buyers came into play there. Well, did someone tweet something? Asking for a friend? Was there a tweet? $47. Okay. Nearly getting there. Like I said, 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. And then we should be good to go. By the way, Traderify is having a 40% off all accounts in case you guys missed it. 40% off is really, really good. Sweep it was. Okay, Yoda. Sideways, sideways. Oh, at least I got into the short. Right? Uh, 10 minutes to what? 10 minutes to see if we get anything that's not... I mean, it's going down just... Oh, so... Oh, actually, it's not even going down on ES. It's created a bunch of SMTs. Ooh, this actually might start shooting back up. This is one of those trades that you have the direction right, but it wicks the opposite of misses. That feels psychology. Samuel, did you take it? What's the scripture on your page? Oh, I don't have scripture. Sorry. I had henna done over the weekend. That's about it. That was not a fun word. Which one? What did I say? Were you taken out of it, Samuel? I'm so sorry. Oh, that'll... Wait, do I have travel? Are you still in a short? but I don't use stop loss. Oh my goodness, Samuel. You are a mad lad. What's your financial advice? I do not give out financial advice. That's my financial advice. Okay, joy of travel. Where's your TP at? Maybe I shouldn't ask. But I'm curious, where's your TP at? On the plus side, if it does break on ES, I think it's gonna go down solidly. What's the hint? No, it's not even scripture, it's just patterns. I did ask if it had a meaning, and it didn't say anything. And then cells. Okay, so there's a few people in cells right now. I'm doing fine. I don't panic. Oh, there we go. $238.70. Damn. Okay. Okay. Well, it broke below on ES. I formed a little bit of an SMT there on ES. Interesting. Oh, we now go sideways. Yay. How much fun. Let's do this. Your chart is tripping me out. Why do I have for buys in the blue? I have for sells. No ways! That is amazing. I'm afraid that's hilarious. Yes, I can imagine that also be like, what is happening? So we just have the opposite colors. I love it. I love it. Hey Timothy, what's up? How you doing? Tagged in. Let's go. Oh, you're taking a bob to bob? Are you taking a bob to bob? If you can visualize the downtrend structure, I don't mind. Don't mind. What candle do you use for entries? Either buy or sell? I look for very specific things, to be fair. I don't look quite at what everyone else looks for. Well, this trade looks like it's working out. That's interesting. Loki did not see that happening. Anywho. Went beautifully back up to the 50%. Obviously went a little bit higher, and now back down we go. Hey Jules, what's up? Long time no see. How's it going? Timothy, I'm in the green for today, so I'm chuffed. So I'm in no rush to give back profits right now. Very happy to watch the market now that I think it had its huge dip down. Now it's chinchilling. It needs to work out. I need this win. Oh no. Hey Jamilo, what's up? How you doing? Anyone that's just hopped on?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Louis, where are my white check marks? There. Ta-da! White check mark. Ka-chow. I did not take this trade though. It was on the 5-minute. I was not quick enough, and I was also decompressing after that trade. Decompressing? I don't know if that's the right word. I love it. Tomato, what pair? Not a pair. This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How can I be of assistance today? Sorry, I hope that answered your question. 10:54. So we are going down just slowly. Microwave? No, what? What the heck? I didn't know that was a thing. Hold up, I'm gonna rewind when you got the white check mark and listen to your face. I kept it very neutral, to be fair. I was low-key impressed with myself. Jules, good, I can't complain. It's definitely an adventure, no doubt about that. How's it going for you, Jules? Trading treating you nicely? I got real close to my max drawdown, but slowly picking myself back up. Slowly but surely. One trade at a time, right? That's all you can do. One good trade at a time. Interested about this. Any opportunities that we can see to enter? I'm looking at this. I don't know if I'll take this though. Do you trade US 30? No, I do not. Sorry. Sorry, Tomelo. Is that what you trade? Is that your thing? That's a weird thing to say, but is that your thing? You trade US 30? Volume is decreasing. Yeah. Everything's looking a little bit meh. Let's see what the 11 a.m. open gets us, but if it's just going to decrease more, I might then just call it early. Joy of travel? I do agree. Slow as heck. Oh, there we go. Got a little bit of oomph to it there. Yes, I said oomph. Don't judge me. Did I? I don't even remember doing that. Wow, clearly I just blacked out. I just blacked out. Cool as a cucumber. Oh no, oh no. Sorry. I swear I've sneezed every single stream the last, well, these last 2 days. I was gonna say this whole week. I keep forgetting today is Tuesday anyway. That's fine. Bless you, bless you. Henry, how long have I been in trading? Next week, in a week, so in 7 days, it would have been a year. Hey, hey, hey! Rough. Rough! Would have missed the entry. I was like, that would have been a tag in. Nope. Psych. Huh. If it left it like that, it would have actually been, oh, winner, chicken dinner like that. Interesting. Okay, anyways. Hey! What the heck, man? Banger. I messed up. That's okay, may I ask a random question? Tomilo, no, not yet. I haven't had a payout yet. Oh, I said the TP at NWAG, was it just The Gambox. Yeah, basically, Louis. It was literally a Gambox coincidence, if you will. Literally. That's where my TP was. With the Gambox. Henry, you can. Just note it has not been working recently. It's been fun. Let's put it that way. Today has been working absolutely beautifully with it though. Even during London. Shoot, I wish I had trusted it during London. The Gambox today has been on fire. It's been working really, really well. I think hopefully, it's back in play. But yeah, those are the levels, because to give you an idea, this was the retest of the drop down. There it would have been partials. Definitely moved to break even. I probably would have moved further down a little bit earlier. But yeah, there definitely would have been partials. Let's see if it goes all the way for the 1 to 2R, but yeah, not bad. Not too bad. Discovery figured out truly measure the markets now based on a community. Oh damn, Jules! So what's your win rate looking like? Okay, cut that trade so now. It's time for me. Nice. Well, I can't believe you still took another one, so well done. Very, very well done. Okay, these are for Bob. Bob deserves the whoop whoop and he's gonna get fireworks because he just called me a hood rat. Fireworks? Can't believe I just got called a hood rat. Whoop whoop for Bob because he had a winner chicken dinner. Fireworks. Hood rat. There we go. That you guys have evidence of me being bullied. Cyber bullied on TradingView. Anyways, it's fine. Okie dokie. Currently 80 to 90%. Damn, Jules, that's awesome. Almost a 2K day. Good grief, you're gonna share the love? No? Me? Nearly full TP, that would have missed by a freaking tick. Would have been rude, actually. Let's see if this would have hit. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Nope. Not yet. Oh, nice, Louis. You used to do... Louis, are you in a band or something? Yeah, Loki sounds like you're in a band. I studied some trading clubs and do much more. It's been busy but fun. Me and you both. I'm seeing if this solidly hits TP. Or if I maybe would have cut it there. I mean, short was so close. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Come on, mother fluffer. Go. What? Good grief. Yo. Wait, that's a solid rejection of the 50%. This could be going down now. Yep, there we go. Okay, so that one actually would have hit full TP. Nice. Very nice. Why does this Loki look like it wants to go level to level again? Don't think this is gonna keep dropping more, do you? Okay, maybe it is. From Truth Me, the gate kept info. Really, Jules? See, I told you guys the Bob levels is some awesome secret source stuff. Literally, do you know what would have been a banger? We're not trading it, so let's see if it goes all the way. Hey, go for throat, what's up? I still think it'll hit 870. Freaking hell, look at it go. Some impressive stuff. So theoretically that should be it, so entry should be a little bit higher. Okay, let's leave it with the most recent range. Let's see what it does. No, I cannot. Absorption might bounce back up soon. Yo, Maya, this market is about to drop to the depths of hell. Hunter guy, what's up? 74 has a huge imbalance. Yeah, I'm not completely sure how the Bob levels are calculated, but it's not far from the GK grids. Jules, Bob is just a magician. He's a wizard. I'll need to speak to Bob to hear what he has to say. Bob, I mean, he is on the Discord if you want. I'm sure he wouldn't mind chatting. Not sure. Axel, what's my strategy? There's two currently. There's Bob to Bob levels and I'll call it the TMT. The Teach Maya Trading. Because it's kind of market option theory mixed with ICT, mixed with SMC. Whatever you did, way to go, Bob. Did you wait? My turn to call him a bozo. Oh my gosh. Boom. Sorry. Okay, let's see how we react here. So if I'd left that like so. Trace and respect it. Yes, no, maybe. Hello, sweetie pie. What I place my TP for? Which exactly, Axel? With this one I drew out here? Or with my winning trade over here? Which one was it? My channel's running, maybe we can I maybe make a tool together? Oh, of course, Jules, let's do it. Love to. Yeah, you know Perry, he pops up, says hi, leaves. Comes to check in on me, make sure that I'm, you know, not killing my PC. Just valid. Hello. Oh my goodness, and he's back. And he's literally resting his chin on my desk. Can I help you, sir? What's up? What's up? Hello. Want this? Put it around your nose. interesting. He's just sat there. Okay. The indicator algo you're shocked about. What are you shocked about? This, what session do I trade? I trade both London and New York session. Let's see if this works. Yeah, both London and New York sessions. See if this would have been winner or sad face. Yes, just sad face, nothing else. The indicator algo, I want to know what you're shocked about. I'm shocked you could be using the indicator makes trading easier. What indicator? Do I want to know? I don't know if I want to know. Oh yeah, absorption, let's go by it. If you see them from not checking your indicator, write them down. You can fine tune the indicator. Oh, thanks, Debbie. Absolutely. Oh, nope, okay. Yep, done. There's a reason you stop. Ah, it's 11:11. Make a wish if you guys believe in that. I don't think it's gonna hit TP. There might be a reversal. Oh, don't worry, Axel, I'm not in this trade. I took this trade here. This one ran off too quickly, and that's all she wrote. Well, that being said, this one actually would have been a win. This would have been entry at the 0.5 and TP would have been the 1.1, so that actually would have been quite a banger of a trade, but it's fine. Well, it's actually, well, I mean, yes, you're pushing it. Harry's busy pushing my light and then looking at it like, oh my gosh, why is it moving? I'm not judging you. Sorry. He's upset with me now. Joy of travel, come on, just one push lower. Axel, I'm on the 1 minute currently. Currently on the 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, that was the 50% of that range. Did you mark where market opened? Yep. All the way up here. Here's the 9:30 opening range, actually. 9:30 opening range. 5 minute candle. First presented fair value gap. Here's the new weekly opening gap. Do you have able so I can compare and run it over the hidden grids? Jules? No, sorry. It is on gold. The gold one is available, but the gold one and the Nasdaq one are different. You could give the indicator well, number one, shout out for the dono. Appreciate it. What is the indicator? I don't even know what that is. Has anyone heard of the indicator? Dun dun dun. But shout out for the dono. Do you know what you get for donating? You get fireworks. Boom, boom, boom. Da, 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 da. Awesome choice. Very sad. Ooh, nice, Jules. Okay. The deal is when I reach 25k, the NQ levels will be made free. Yeah. But your flip tool's not far from the truth of the bot. Wait, so Jules, are you still using the old way you used to trade, or have you completely changed? It's new, nobody really knows about it. Is it called the indicator? There's a lot. You're gonna have to be a little bit more specific. There was a lot there, sorry. I got like 6 indicators I made, I'll give access. Measure flip tools not from the truth as well. Awesome trees. We trade very... So wait, Jules, so have you changed the way you trade? Huh. He's paying for advertisement right now, a little bit. Whoa! Alrighty then. Well, that happened. Good grief. First, you can actually take a trade on the up moment, really good. Two, if you get a reaction, I think liquidity has been swept. Good actual grief. That was insane. It said bye. That was not nice. I'm sorry, wait. That was not...
Nice.
No? Did you not appreciate that joke? I thought it was funny. Bounce up higher than I thought off of that absorption level. Sure. That's an understatement. Okay. Like I said, I did not take that. That was me being curious about something. To be fair, it is the same with that one, but I'm going to leave that one up because it worked quite well. Go to the 5 minutes, go to market open. Why, Axel? Do you just trade the 5 minute orb? No, I've changed the way I measure, so the original strategy is still the same, just more accurate. Oh, that's interesting, Jules. Okay. Mark the last candle on the low. Are you talking about this one? Axel? Ah. Bob missed it. Bob, you're getting all the compliments. Wait, did you say then play... What was that noise? That was a new noise. Oh, it was this. Ah! I got it. What the heck? Huh. I have so many indicators to go and have a look at. I'm not really listening, but way to go, Pop! Happy Atlanta, that works, right? Oh, flip, that's funny. Wait, why would you buy the... I'm very confused. Also, the... Only fair value gap is right by the first presented fair value gap. Okay. Okay, guys, I might be calling it there for today. Whew. I'm gonna call it there in the green. I see I ended it with $73 green, you know. I mean, it's better than ending $4 green. Green is green. Green is green. If I hadn't have had that L this morning, I would have been over $100. And that's fine. If I hadn't have had the lesson this morning, just change that up. Because it was definitely a lesson. I was a bit of a chop, which is fine. I'm gonna then call it there. Got a lot to do this afternoon. So I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Louis, you missed the butterfly of the day. There was a butterfly. It was Riley's opal. Yeah, because I remember I even asked who is Riley and why does she have a butterfly named after her. Anyways, lesson starts with L. Exactly. But I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Trade safe for you guys that are still trading, especially now that it's lunchtime. Okay, trade safe. If you guys want a discount, you can use my code TEACHMY. There is a 40% discount actually happening currently with Traderfy on all accounts, which is huge. 40% off is awesome. I think that's my spiel done for today. I love you guys. Trade safe. See you tomorrow. Okay.